had to have an egg washing day. I've got all those eggs over there in that tray, and I had these in a bucket, or a pail, the little egg pail that we use. It is day 2 of the new year. There's an air compressor going on upstairs. They're up there doing, hey Jonah, do you need these? Are these for that? They're doing some little updates to the boys' rooms upstairs, and I just dropped a whole bunch of toothpicks. That was great. Most of them landed here on the counter, so they can be saved. I was trying to get this cookie mix out, and those toothpicks attacked. We found the leftover candy cans.
Yeah.
He called candy canes candy cans for a long time. He says candy cane now. We're about to make the cutout sugar cookies, y'all. We're just gonna find some different cookie cutters. These don't have to be Christmas ones, of course. They can be winter sugar cookies. I have these, snowmen and snowflakes. That's winter. Oh, y'all. I am accident prone today. First the toothpicks, I can't talk. First the toothpicks, now the cookie mix. So the way to turn these into cutout cookies, you just change a few things. Instead of half a cup of butter, you use 2/3 of a cup, and you add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour to this mix. That's all you have to do, and you still use the egg. Oh, thank you. Jonah found a horse, okay, and chicken. Moose. Yeah, we had a barn, didn't we? We had a barn or something. We'll use our Christmas tree mat because you know what? This is a winter. It's winter mat. It's just trees and snowflakes. It's winter. I'm gonna go ahead and start softening the butter. Jonah found the tractor with a farmer. He's gonna be a big old cookie. Winter farmhouse cookies. That's what we call these. Tacos is what's for supper tonight. Yes, everybody's excited about that. Okay, we're gonna soften this butter in the microwave on the defrost setting. Oh, I just opened up this cabinet over there and smelled that coffee. Might have to make some coffee to go with our cookies. Okay, dough is ready. Now, we're gonna use these mats to roll the dough out over here. Let me put some flour down. We'll just take a little bit of it and roll it out. We'll try these tractor guys first here. Got snowman, moose, man with the tractor, but man with the tractor's struggling a little bit. His head always wants to fall off, or his wheel. Snowflake or horse? Moose? Okay. I'll help you get it out, okay? Let's see if we can get it exactly where you had it again, and we just do a little jiggle, 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 and then he comes out of there.
Okay. It's kind of like the snowman too.
Okay.
When was this card?
Okay, his head might fall off. You gonna be okay with that? Do it right here.
I got his hair.
Good job.
I got his head to stay on.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll stay on when he comes out of the oven.
Yeah.
Snowflake, yeah, that's a good spot.
I'll do a little jiggle jiggle.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, no eating it yet?
Not yet, not until after they cook.
Jiggle jiggle jiggle. It fell. That one's for you, and that one's for me.
Okay.
That one.
Okay, I've got the table set up for cookie decorating. I have Manly's there, Sissy's here, Jonah's here, and then I have all the extra cookies over here for anybody else who wants to decorate cookies, extra plates. I have 3 of these classic white frostings. I don't think I've ever used this kind before. I normally use Betty Crocker Rich and Creamy, but this is Pillsbury Creamy Supreme, so I think it'll work just fine. I wanted it to be white this time, not, you know, cream colored. So all you have to do is warm them up in the microwave for about, I think I did about 30 seconds to a minute last time. We'll do 30. And then we'll pour them into bowls, that way it's easy to dip the cookies in. moose in a snowstorm. Let's see, Jonah. Oh, that's nice.
That one is my moose, and that one's mine.
Okay.
I think that's his. He throws hints to let people know don't eat his cookies.
I don't know what to do with this horse here, so I'm just gonna do this right here.
Oh, that's good. All right, time for tacos. I'm getting out all the things. We'll go ahead and start the ground beef right here. And I have different kinds of taco shells. We've got regular flour tortillas, ranch flavored taco shells, and just regular taco shells, and the holiday tortilla chips. Sissy and Jonah are still decorating over here. Manly, Jonah did that one. Manly just put a little bit of the black, where did it go? Decorating icing on his horse and the moose, didn't he? Did he have a horse? He put the stuff on their feet.
He ate it.
Yeah, and he ate them, and he was done after that. He did a little bit on the snowflake too. Orange rolls. They used to love these when they were little, Jacob and Tyler. Like, they would choose orange rolls over cinnamon rolls. I was like, look at all those cookies over there. And they both looked at the cookies like, acting like they don't like sugar cookies. Tyler ate like 10 as they were coming out of the oven.
And they eat, y'all. And mostly bears. They go fat in the winter.
Where'd you hear this at?
On George. I'm learning this on Curious George. Mama, I know that how to make eggs and ground now. Can I help you?
Sure. I'm gonna have to cut them. Pillsbury didn't do a great job of
waking up?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, this one's bigger than ever. It looks like Play-Doh. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, y'all. I think the time has come. I think I'm ready. I'm just gonna take the ornaments off. We're gonna leave the tree with the lights and the star for a few more days. Where's the remote? I need to turn down Ben Cartwright over here. So yeah, we're gonna take off the ornaments, but leave the lights and the star for a few more days. So you just kind of ease into it, you know? Ease into taking away Christmas. And you want to have fun as you undecorate too. Remember the ornaments, like the new ones that you got this year or the new ones that the kids made. Do it slowly. Enjoy taking it down as much as you enjoy putting it up. Still kind of sad taking it down, but before we know it, we'll be decorating it again, Manny. Yeah, you can take that one off. Like, look at this red bird. Do y'all remember what this is from? The red bird cake. Remember that one? Then after the cake and when we put the tree up, he turned into an ornament, didn't he?
Yeah. Nice ornament, isn't it, Mama?
It is.
Well, nice ornament too.
Remember when we had to fix the reindeer noses?
Yeah.
We made these too, remember those?